Welcome back to my channels. Today we are going to discuss about pepper soup spices. When you hear pepper soup spices, sometimes you'll be wondering, where does this thing originated from? This is African way of spicing their meat and their beef. But today I want to discuss about it extensively, and also want to lecture or tell my people how to prepare pepper soup spices. Pepper soup spices is a very big business in Africa, in all over the world. So I want to start by giving you the names of or ingredients of pepper soup spices. Number one in my list is fennel. Another one is control onion, or you can, as they used to call it here, call it bush onions. Another one is, you can use Cameroon pepper. Another one is cumin seed. Another one is dried pepper. You can add red dry pepper on it. Another one in our list is what we call scent leaf. You can add scent leaf on it. Another one in our list is ginger, garlic. Another one is ehuru. Another one is uziza seed. In short, ehuru and uziza seed is the major thing they use in pepper soup spices. So you can also add clove in it. You can as well add omilo and the jansan seed. So by the time you gather all these spices, then take it to where you can toast it, or if I say fry, don't fry it, just like 2-3 minutes on a fire, on a frying pan, and you remove it for you to bring the much awaited aroma that you need. Then allow it to cool for some times, and you take it to a blender or a grinder that will do justice to it. After grinding it, you wait, allow the vapor or the hotness to go down before you put it in a plastic bag or in a container bag where it will be using it gradually. But where I'm coming here today is for people that want to use it to commercialize it. Please, these our spices are good. If we can know how to do it very well, it's a very good market. For you that is a housewife over there in abroad, anywhere, even here in Nigeria, all over the world, you can leverage on these pepper soup spices, and you do a very good job there, and you blend it and you will make a good sale. The only thing there is that just know your onions, know what you need to do and everything, and blend it very well. It will be okay for you. As much as you know about pepper soup spices, it aids digestion. It helps you to make your enzyme to digest food very well. It also helps to make you to be agile in everything you do. So pepper soup spice is something that you cannot do. You cannot do anything beef or anything without mentioning pepper soup spices. So please, you can call Humble Sage for assistance if you wish, or if you want us to prepare these pepper soup spices. This is what we are known for everywhere. Humble Sage Food is an organic food supplier. We don't deal with things that is not organic. So please and please, you can call on us to prepare pepper soup spices for you, commercial, the one you want to use for commercial or the one you want to use for your house. We will do justice to you, or you come to our DM to learn more. So we are offering you this class free of charge. So please, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thank you all for listening, and please share to others, to all the platform, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and every other network, so that other people will see us, so that we can help them grow wealth. So wealth is information. As I'm giving you information here, you are growing. Thank you and God bless you.